Hi everyone. I am going to quickly show you how to log into clever.com, where you're going to find most of the websites we'll be using throughout the year. Once you click on the link that I'll be sharing on your official classroom, or you can also type in www.clever.com, you're going to come across this page. If if you don't, that's totally fine, but if you do, you make sure that you type in your school name, which is Lewis H. Latimer. I think that's a faster find. Once you type in that name, you're going to get to it, and then you're going to click on login with your NYCENET. That's your New York City Gmail emailed information. You're going to click on that, and all you're going to do here is type in your username. Mine is A. Jimenez. I'm going to use mine. 14. Then my password. It's already here, so I'm just going to click on it. Once I sign in, it's I will automatically be taken to this page as soon as I sign in for the first time, unless you shut down the computer. I don't think that it will log you off, but if it does, you just type in your login information again. So once your screen is going to be somewhat similar, but you're going to have your teacher's pages always on the top. I'm going to be my page is going to be here, Miss Jimenez, or if you have Miss Nelson, if you're under Miss Nelson's class, you're going to have Miss Nelson's page there. You're going to click on that page. You have two options to find Great Minds. You're going to click on Miss Jimenez's page, and you're going to find that icon, Great Minds in Sync. You're going to click on that, and it's going to take you to that web page, which you're going to be exploring for the next few days. Or I'm just going to click back real quick, or you can also search for it in the search tab. All you have to do is type in Great, and as soon as you type in Great, you're going to find that option, the first option, Great Minds in Sync, and you're going to click on that. Once you click on that, you're going to be automatically taken to the Great Minds web page. You don't have to log in here. The only place that you're going to have to log in is in your clever.com page. That's why it's more convenient for you to use this one. So once you log in and you find Great Minds in Sync, you're going to find all of your assigned lessons here for you to work on, for you to complete. For now, all we want you to do is explore this website, clever.com, where you're going to find any resources that we add for you to look at. Okay, thank you, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask.